Okay, if you start to accessing part 2, it means you already done with the first exercise and you already make a correct answer. Okay, so to make it whether you are making correct answer or not, just make sure that your residual value or your salvage value is the same between your table and the question. Okay, now let's continue to declining balance method. The declining balance method has several steps. Step 1, you need to ignoring residual value. Okay, I repeat, you have to ignore the residual value or the salvage value in declining balance method. So you have to determine the straight line rate. How to do it? 24,000, do not minus it 2,000. So just divide it 24,000 by 5 years and it will become 4,800. And then you have to calculate the rate. It means 4,800 here divided by 24,000 and you will get rate of 20%. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just kick this residual value. And there's another shortcut. Simply divide it 1 by the number of years. For example, 1 divided by 5 years of economic value. It will become 0.2. It's the same like this. Okay, 20%. 0.2 is 20% as well. Yeah. Step 2. Double the straight line rate, just like the declining balance method, just like the name. You have to double the straight line. Declining balance, it means you have to declining twice to make it balance. So you have to double the straight line rate. It means the rate that you calculate before is 20%. You have to double it. So multiply by 2, it will become 0.4 or 40%. For the first year, the imply is for the first year, the cost of the asset is multiplied by 40%. After the first year, the declining book value of the asset is multiplied 40%. Step 3, build a table. So, in declining balance method, there is no other way than build a table. So the table, just like the same table in a straight line, however, the calculation is different. I will show you here. Okay, just like usual, year 1, book value beginning of year. This is the rate. It's a bit different because it has rate here. The annual depreciation, accumulated depreciation year end, and book value year end. Okay, let's start. At year 1, book value beginning of year is always 24,000 with the rate of 40%. The annual depreciation you will get by multiplying 24,000 with the rate, okay? And you will get 9,600. Yeah, 24,000 times 0.4 become 9,600. The accumulated depreciation year end will be the same with annual depreciation here because this is year 1. Book value year end, simply 24,000 minus 600, 6,600. Yeah. Year 2, do the same thing. Sorry, book value beginning of year will be get from book value year end. It will be book value beginning of year 2. Multiply by rate, you will get 5,760. Okay. accumulated depreciation at year end, you will get 15,360. How can you get that number? Simply 9,600 plus 5,760 will become 15,360. Book value year end, simply, can you guess it? How to calculate book value year end? Okay, to calculate it means 14,400 minus 5,760. It will become 8640. Yeah. Okay. Again, 8640 here, it will become book value beginning of year. And then you have to multiply again with its rate, 40%, and then you will get 3456. Yeah. After that, the accumulation depreciation year end is simply 9,600 plus 5,760 plus 3456 will become 18,816, or 15,360 plus 3,466, 556, it will become the same, 18,816. Book value year end will be 8,640 minus 3,456. Yeah, become this number. Do the same thing. Okay. Book value beginning of year 3,000. Getting from here, just times it, you will get this number. You can add this number with this number, it will become this number, or you can sum up all of this, it will become this number. Book value year end, it means this number minus this number, and it will become this number. Okay, but you have to stop here. Why? Because the book value here is only 1,866. If we use this approach in year 5, we will end the year with a book value of 1,866. Remember, the residual value at the end of year 5 is expected to be 2,000. So we must modify our approach. How to modify it? At the end of year 5, we do not use the usual step, but we just put 3,610 here, and we don't have to calculate it with the rate. So here, just minus it. The annual depreciation here will be get from 3,110 minus residual value 2,000, and just put it here. Okay. The accumulated depreciation year end eventually will be 22,000, and the book value year end will be 2,000, because this is the desired ending book value. Okay, so this approach is a bit difficult rather than straight line, but I believe you can do it. So I want you to try this as well. This is exactly the same question, but I want you to treat it by using a different method. Yeah. Now I want you to use double declining balance. and calculate it by yourself. And after you finish, then you can move to the part 3. Okay, happy trying.